In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Cloudflare account ID. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or just getting started with Cloudflare, knowing how to locate your account ID is essential for smooth operations and integrations. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com with your preferred web browser. Once there, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you're dealing with multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one, as each account will have its unique ID. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account homepage. This page is essentially the hub from which you can navigate and manage your various settings and zones within Cloudflare. It's the screen you see immediately after logging in and acts as your starting point for making any changes or updates. From your account homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to finding the API section. Typically, this area is conveniently located on the dashboard and should catch your eye pretty quickly. The API section is crucial, as this is where you'll find both your account ID and your zone ID, which are identifiers that Cloudflare uses to manage your account and its settings. Now, here in the API section, you should see your account ID clearly labeled. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Copy Account ID. Simply click this button, and your account ID will be copied to your clipboard automatically. This feature makes it incredibly easy to paste your account ID into any required field, whether you're filling out forms, setting up integrations, or completing other tasks that require your account identifier. Remember, having your account ID handy can streamline many processes, especially when you're working with Cloudflare's vast array of features, or setting up third-party applications that require this information for authentication or data exchange purposes. It's also a good practice to keep this information secure, only sharing it with trusted sources, as it's a sensitive part of your account's identity. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located and copied your Cloudflare account ID. With this information, you're now well equipped to manage your Cloudflare settings with greater efficiency and confidence. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials to help streamline your cloud management tasks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'd be more than happy to assist further. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cloud managing.